Okay. Now you are energized?
Yes.
Shall we start the session?
Yes.
Okay, okay, everyone. Okay. So, you see this figure? 86,400. So this can be your lucky day that you can get this amount this day. But I just want to know that, how are you going to spend it? The more wisely you will spend it, the more productivity and the more results you can get from it. So I would like to get some responses from you guys. I will give you 1 minute to do this thing, and you just list down how you want to spend this 86,400 in a day. Okay? Okay, can you do that?
Yes.
I will group you in two groups, the whole class into two groups, and let's have two responses from each group. Okay? Okay. So first group and the second group. So let's have two responses. I will give you just 1 minute to decide on the responses. The more wiser one. Okay? The more wiser one. The more productive. The more resultful things that you can do with 86,400. Okay? Yeah, please. So your time starts now. You can discuss.
Stop. Yes. Yes.
Okay, time's up. Minute went in seconds. Yeah. So group 1, yes. List any two important things that you want to buy with this 86,400. Yes, please.
So you're buying a stock.
You want to buy a stock? Okay, good choice. What else? Apartment. You want to buy a stock and the apartment. Okay, yeah, good choice. Okay. How about you? Group 2.
Let's buy some resort now and of course.
Okay, you want to buy some resort.
Yeah.
I don't think it will be covered in this 86,400. But yeah, we can give the token amount at least. Yeah, okay. And one more thing. In this 86,400.
I would donate to charity solutions.
The most wisest thing that you can do. Very good answer. Okay. So I got the responses. So we are thinking about the futuristic approach to spend this 86,400 which you will get in a day. Let me just write one more thing. Time. When I write this word, what comes to your mind, the first thought that comes to your mind, please let me know. Yes, Jeff? If I write this time, what is the first thought that comes to you related to time?
So we are spending this time with my family.
Family. You want to spend this time wisely with your family. Okay. What about you, Fadil?
We cannot buy time.
We cannot buy time. Very good. Yes, Amit.
Yeah. It's very important and it's a whole day. It is 400, 24 hours.
Yeah.
I think like that.
Yeah.
We need to organize that.
Yeah.
It cannot be going like right away.
Okay. What about you, Stewart?
Time,
Yes. What is time for you?
a whole day. But I want I spend this time effectively.
Effective. Okay. So from all the responses that we have received, do you think the time is limited?
Yes.
Do you think the time is valuable?
Yes.
Do you think you should spend it more wisely?
Yes.
And if I change this $86,400 into the seconds that you spend in a day, do you think that your responses will change
Yes.
from the previous ones?
Yes.
Do you think so? You will have another set of responses how to wisely use your time
Yes.
rather than money?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So So today we will learn about the time management. So welcome to the time management skill course, where you will be having the goal of you will be learning three main goals. I don't want to list it right now. So let me just introduce myself. So my name is Dev Karan, and you can call me Dev. I'm the finance manager in India, and I've been working with the host from last 1 year, and I have an experience of 10 years in this industry. And today we are going to learn from this session the three values of time management. So the first value is mastery in time management, and the second one is smart goals. Yeah, and the third one, how to deal with the common situation. Sorry, I don't remember these goals, so I'm just putting it on you guys. So how many goals, how many values, and how many goals of this session? Three. How many goals?
Three.
How many goals?
Three.
Okay. So 3 goals we are going to take from this session. Now we have some implied ground rules to proceed this session and move effectively. So what are these ground rules? May I ask you, Ratiz,
I think I should.
what you should do, what you shouldn't do. So what is the thing that you should do?
I think I should take note what you learn me.
Oh.
You teach me.
Okay. What shouldn't we do, Mita?
Have a discussion and stay interactive.
What shouldn't we do?
Shouldn't we do it? Cannot say.
Okay. What should we do, Ahmed?
We should keep interacted with the trainer.
Okay. Jaya, what should not we do?
Talk to another person.
Okay. Very nice thoughts, very nice. So I assume that you guys are ready to move ahead with the session.
Yes.
So are we ready?
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to portray some sections of this program, which includes 5 sections. How many?
5.
How many?
5.
5 sections. Okay, the first one is
The
the value of time. First one.
Value of time.
Second one.
value.
Common situation. Stewart, first one.
Value of time.
Value of time. Jeff, second.
Common situations.
Common situations. Third one.
Smart goals.
Smart goals. Third.
Smart
goals. Fourth.
Time
Time
management.
management. Time management metrics. And the fifth one.
How to manage your mailbox.
How to manage your mailbox. Okay. Now let's assume that you have covered all the 3 modules. Now we will proceed towards section 4, which is what was section 4? Time management metrics, right? Time management metrics. Okay. So let's play a game. Then we will proceed further. Okay. So I will make 2 groups from this team. Group 1, group 2. So what you need to do is, I have 2 bags here. Can you please keep it, Doris? Yeah. Okay. Can you please keep it, please? So you have 2 bags here. One is the bigger one, and one is the smaller one. Okay. And there are some items here which are different in sizes. One is large, small, again smaller, the smallest one as well. So you need to arrange these items as much as you can in this small bag on the basis of the urgency. Okay?
Okay.
And the most as many as you can put it, but you have to don't make mess with it, but you have to arrange it in a form that every kind of item can be covered in this bag. Okay?
Okay.
Alright?
Alright.
Are you clear?
Yes.
I will give you just 1 minute to do this. Okay?
Yes.
Are you clear? Okay, now you can come together and then put as many as you can in this bag.
Yes, can you?
Okay? Yeah, okay. So your time starts now. You have to arrange it in a way that it should not look as a mess. It should not look as a mess. You have to arrange it in a wise way. Time's up. Yeah, team once. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your responses. Thank you. Alright, okay, thank you. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so we got the responses. So team 1 was fast, but it looks very messy. The whole idea is to put all the things in this basket.
Yes.
Yeah. But I would say that the team 2 actually thought about it and maybe prioritize the items based on the urgency, like I said. So you can see that there are few items which are left unaddressed. So these are the items, these are the tasks which are left unaddressed. So this is the task that you do not have any time to address it. Okay? So I will pick these two smaller ones. So these smaller packets denotes the limitation of time. So you had that limited time to do all these tasks on the urgent basis, assuming that all the tasks in hands are urgent. But we have to clarify and prioritize our work based on the importance. So only the urgency is not important, but the importance of task is also valuable. So can this team actually think that you can do all these tasks, these urgent tasks in this limited time? No. Based on the urgency, or maybe there would be some tasks which are not important, or which couldn't have been supposed to be done by you guys. Yeah? You got my point? Clear? Clear. Okay. So from this practice, we have come to the conclusion that there is an urgency of the task, and some tasks are important but not urgent. But we need to choose and plan and prioritize and eliminate few of the tasks in order to perform well, in order to effectively use our time, which is called time management, right?
Yes.
Right? Yeah, okay. So now we come to this model, which is called the Eisenhower matrix. Yeah? Can I have one more page?
Okay, it's good.
Yeah.
Okay, you can use this one.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Minutes left.
Okay. So based on the previous conclusion that we have some urgent tasks and some important tasks, we need to plan and we need to prioritize and we need to implement our task in a way that we have a maximum productivity of the time. Okay? So I will divide you into groups and I want 2 responses each where you think that this chart is applicable, wherein in number 1 you can list down the most important and the most urgent task. This is not urgent but important. This is not important, not urgent. This is
Not
urgent, not important.
not urgent, not important. Okay? Okay? So I will give you just 1 minute to think of some task at your work that you think that we can put it in these boxes. Okay?
Okay.
So your time starts now. Just 1 minute of discussion. Okay. 1 minute over. Now, team 1. Can you list 2 tasks which can go in any of these boxes? Can you list anything?
Yeah, spend time in the social network. The social network we spend.
Spend time. Not important, not urgent.
Yeah. So social media?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So it will come in 4. Social media. Yes. What else?
Reply.
Reply to the emails.
Yeah.
The urgent one or the important one?
Checking email.
Checking in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in what box do you think it should
Checking
come?
email is important, but not urgent.
Yeah, this side.
Okay, okay. So emails. Okay, thank you for your responses. Now team 2. What about your responses? Any urgent task and important one?
My boss asked me to immediately book a ticket for his business trip.
Okay, okay. So important instructions of boss. It can be anything, anything. Yes. And what about the third one?
It's important.
It is urgent but not important.
No. The first one is important as well as urgent.
Yes, first one is urgent and important.
Yeah.
This is important but not urgent.
Okay, so you made it like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is the L.
Okay, so one is the top. One,
Yes.
2, 3, 4.
So, any thoughts on box 3?
Urgent but not important.
Yes.
Take a shower.
I didn't get
Right?
it.
Yeah.
Important, not urgent.
Your boss asked you to buy a meal for him for lunch.
Yeah, sure, sure. Meal for boss. Okay? So this is not important,
For
right?
example, let's say you're in finance, but suddenly you got a call or to arrange for the raw material prices.
Yeah.
So it's urgent, but not exactly important for you.
Not exactly important, yes. So this matrix, this model works with 4 Ds. How many Ds?
4
4
Ds.
How many Ds?
4 Ds.
4 Ds. So for the most important, most urgent task, what you need to do? Do.
Yeah.
Yeah? So this is the first D for the most important, and for the most urgent task, you do. You know what you do? You do. Repeat it after me. Do. Okay? Okay. For the emails which are not urgent but important, what you need to do? Decide. This is the second D. Okay? For the third, which is not important but urgent, what you need to do? Delegate. You can send some of your subordinate to pick up the food. Okay? And for the fourth one, for the social media, where you waste your time, you waste your precious time of work. Yeah?
Delete it.
Delete it. Okay. So we are dealing with how many Ds? 4 Ds. For the important task and the urgent ones? Do. For the urgent one but not important one? Decide. For the important one but not urgent?
Delegate.
And for the non-important, non-urgent? Delete. How many Ds?
4.
How many Ds?
4.
Okay, okay. I think you have understood. Now, from this matrix, we get to the conclusion that we need to have various spheres and various bases to actually manage our time. So we can't only consider the importance of the time, nor we consider only the urgency, but we need to consider both the things, the urgency and the importance. And the keynote for this, or the conclusion, is that we need to prioritize our work, and based on the urgency, and based on the roles and phases of our life, these priorities change. So we always have to do this practice again and again. Okay? So this is the conclusion part.
Yep.
Now we come to the most important part, which is asking. If you have any question, you have 2 minutes to ask to me. Do you have any question? No. Anyone having any question? Yeah.
So, how can you apply this metrics in the personal life, not in work?
In the personal life?
Yes.
Okay. So it is based on your importance and the priority. So if in the personal life you prioritize yourself, then your family, then you decide the time frame for yourself, maybe for working out or for self-development. And if you prioritize the time for your family, then you place that maximum time to spend with your family. So this is how you can deal with the time personally as well. Okay?
Okay.
Any other question? No question? Okay, so can we revise our session? So how many goals? How many goals did we have in the session?
3.
3 goals. 3.
Yeah.
Okay. How many sections?
5.
5 sections. How many Ds?
4.
4 Ds. How many goals?
3.
3. How many sections?
5.
5. How many Ds?
4.
4 Ds. What we need to do for the task?
Urgent.
The do thing?
Urgent.
Urgent and important. Yeah? The task that we need to delegate. What are these tasks?
Not
Urgent.
important.
Urgent but not important. Right? So how many Ds?
4.
4. Thank you so much for this session. Thank you so much for your participation. Thank you so much everyone for your attention. Thank you.